Hi guys, welcome to Winder's Whiteboard, where you get fitness advice from some guy who lives in his grandma's basement. Today's video topic, how working out will make you more successful. Why should you listen to me? I've got a Bachelor's of Science in Cellular and Developmental Biology from the University of Washington. I worked 2 years in an undergrad research lab studying developmental biology. I'm a personal trainer. I've trained over 200 clients. I've been working myself out for the last 5 years, and I'm 20 weeks out from my first natural bodybuilding competition. Now, how's working out going to make you more successful? Well, it's going to increase your daily energy and it's going to increase your mental toughness. How's it going to do that? Well, let's say you work a regular 9-to-5 job, you take the weekends off, and you don't have a consistent exercise program. Let's put you over here. Around 20% of your total capacity for energy. Okay? You work your regular 9-to-5, you come home, you're tired, you're ready for bed, you have a little bit of extra energy on the weekends, but that's it. Now you start your exercise program. That's going to take a little bit of the energy out of you each day, okay? After a few weeks, your energy is going to continue to improve, increase, and eventually you'll have significantly more energy. Just like how your muscles work, okay? When you train your muscle, you eat, you sleep properly, and then your muscle grows. Same with your brain and your energy levels. You exercise consistently, let's say for 6 months to a year, okay, puts you here in the middle somewhere, around 50%. Okay, we made a 30% increase in how much energy we have to expend each day. Fill that in for you. Now let's move on to mental toughness. Let's say you snooze your alarm once or twice each day, you go to work, you come home, you eat dinner, and you go to bed. And that's about all you've got the mental toughness to do each day. You don't have enough to convince yourself not to snooze the alarm or to stretch or to exercise. And that's put you over here around 20. Okay? Now, let's say you started an exercise program, you're going fairly consistently, and then you go exercise on a day where you didn't really want to exercise. That's going to move you up. Now let's say you finished out a set at the end of your workout when you didn't want to finish out that extra set. That's going to move you up. Now let's say you eat a healthy meal that you prepared for yourself when all of your friends are eating pizza. That's going to move you up. Eventually, just like how your workout program is going to move you up to more energy, it's also going to move you up in your mental toughness. And let's say 50 as well. Instead of only having this much mental toughness to start, now we've got all extra 30% of this. Okay? So a consistent exercise routine, and consistently going to the gym even when you didn't want to, and exercising when you didn't want to, and dieting properly when you didn't want to, moved you up in your mental toughness, moved up in your energy. Alright, let's give you some examples from my life on when I was just starting my workout routine, and now after I've been exercising consistently for the last 5 years. When I was just starting my workout routine, I was a college student. I would go to class in the mornings. I would go to my workout after class, come home, usually do some homework. The rest of my time was spent playing video games. I didn't have the energy to do anything else. I didn't have the motivation to do anything else. I didn't really want to do anything past what I had to do to get my degree in 3 years. Okay? I was also eating a bunch of cafeteria food. I was on a diet plan, or a meal plan at college, and I didn't have to actually cook any of my food. So I just ate easy cafeteria food, similar to if I was eating out all the time. Now, let's move over to where I am today, okay? Before work, every day, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Get up at 4, sometimes 5 a.m., go to the gym and work out before work. I work split shifts as a personal trainer. So I work after I'm done with my workout, and then I come home, I work on my YouTube channel that I just started. Okay, working on these videos. I've been shooting this video for the last few hours. A lot of takes. That's all it takes to get better, okay? Now, I go back to work after this. Work for a few more hours. I'm going to come home. I'm going to read some books that I've been interested in reading about stretching and just programming, things like that. I'm also going to spend some time stretching so that I'm not as tight for my workout tomorrow. And then I've been doing my meal prep on Sundays so that I have a lot better dialed in nutrition plan, and I don't have to spend so much time or money eating out and being lazy. Now, this is a big difference in total success level for me in terms of basically doing the bare minimum to what I needed to get done each day. I didn't feel like I was being as successful. I wasn't putting in as much effort as I could have been putting in. Now here today, even though I'm only at 50% of my capacity, let's say, I've been continuously working on that. I'm getting better each day. I've been doing my workouts even when I don't want to do my workouts. I had a stomach bug all last week. I still got up and did my workouts. I came home and I puked afterward. Okay, it was tough. It wasn't very fun, but I continuously did them because I've been working on my mental toughness for the last 5 years. Okay, I go to work. I actually love work, so that's never been a problem. Now, I'm not very good at shooting these YouTube videos yet. It's taken me a lot of takes to make this video. It's been challenging. It takes a lot of effort and it takes a mental toll on me to make these videos, but I know that I need to do them to make myself a better person. Okay, I'm going to come home and I've been studying this book about how to stretch, how to get my clients more flexible, how to make myself more flexible. That's what I'm going to do when I come home afterward. I'm also going to stretch myself with those techniques I just learned. On Sunday I like doing my meal prep, and then I don't have to worry about making food the rest of the week other than my breakfast and my snack, which is pretty easy. The rest of the meals that actually take the time, they're all prepped for me. So my success as a person, as a personal trainer, has significantly improved since I started doing my workout routine, mostly because I have more energy and more mental toughness to actually push myself to do the things that I don't want to do. That's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Tyson Winder signing out. What do you think about that?